Want to know how to convert numbers into words in Java? So, these code might seem a little complex, but trust me, it is not. It's super simple, and I'm just going to explain you how it is done in just under a minute. So, what this code does is it just simply handles number from 0 to 999. We define arrays for ones, tens, and tens as well. So, for numbers less than 10 or 20, we use the corresponding array. So, for numbers under 100, we combine tens and ones. For hundreds, we recursively convert the remainder. This small recursive trick makes number to word conversion easy and readable. So as you can see right here, we have created string arrays from 1 to 9 to 90 and 19 as well. So we have created a scanner for more dynamics, and now you can just simply see we have converted our num, and we have used a static string converter loop and some if statements right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can just simply run this code right here, and I'm just going to show you the output. So when I type in 2, it should be 2, and when I type in other numbers like 1, 2, 3, it should be as 123. That's it. Super simple and easy. This is a really interesting code that you can try as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.